Hello everyone, I'm Carrie Buziak of AON Celtic Art. I'm a published author and a Celtic artist teaching modern techniques in ancient art. I'm here today to share with you the last two prizes I'll be featuring for my Celtic giveaway that's running from July 25th to 31st this week. So the first thing I want to share with you today is my Wheel of Celtia Celtic Journal. So this journal comes with lined pages, but it also comes with all sorts of little interior bonus things. So if you're the kind of person who likes to doodle as well as write, there's lots of empty spaces for that. There's also pages that have sort of like an inspirational little saying, just things that I found that kind of motivated me and moved me. So I've collected them together for you in a lovely little journal. So you will get a copy of this. And the next thing I want to feature are Celtic Enamel Mugs. I don't have a physical one of these yet to share with you guys. These are brand new. So these will be sold on my Etsy store eventually. But for now, the person who wins the Celtic giveaway will be the very first person to receive one of these mugs. It again has my Wheel of Celtia design, which is super popular out there. So I hope you will like it. It'll make a great mug to take into the office and show off to all your friends, or just keep it at home for whenever you want a cup of coffee or a cup of tea. You can enjoy this pretty little mug. So I'm really excited by this new product, and I hope the grand prize winner is also really excited to be the first person to receive this. All right guys, so those are all my featured videos now of the different prizes you can win. Don't forget, multiple ways to enter, and you have until July 31st to get your name in the draw as many times as you can. So hopefully you'll be my Celtic winner. That's all for now guys. Bye!